nyo ba na mas mahirap gamutin ang acne scars kaysa sa acne mismo? Yes! Mas madali pang patuyuin ng pimple kaysa burahin ng peklat. Alam nyo rin ba na hindi lahat ng acne ay dapat i-facial dahil pwedeng mag-peklat ito? So today, let's talk about 5 ways to avoid having acne scars. First, treat acne early and properly. Early, because the longer inflammation stays, the higher the chance of scarring. Kapag matagal ang pamamaga, nasisira ang collagen. And when skin heals abnormally, that's when scars form. Properly, dahil ngayon, ang daming online acne treatments. Pero hindi lahat bagay sa skin mo. Kapag napabayaan, pwedeng maging cystic acne, which is much harder to treat than mild acne. Early consult means less damage. Second, stop picking, squeezing, and DIY surgery. Alam na natin to, pero ginagawa pa rin natin. When you squeeze, you push the bacteria deeper, you increase inflammation, you rupture the follicle wall, and you destroy surrounding collagen. Result, boxcar scars, rolling scars. And take note, kahit isang aggressive squeeze lang, pwedeng mag-iwan ng permanent mark. Hindi rin po lahat ng acne ay dapat i-facial. Kapag maga-maga o may nana, mas kailangan muna ng proper medical treatment like antibiotics or even steroid injection. Kaya naman, proper assessment by your dermatologic doctor is important. Third, wear sunscreen daily. Bakit? Because UV exposure worsens post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation o lalong mangingitim. It slows proper collagen remodeling. So, kung may acne ka or healing marks, mas lalong iitim kapag walang sunscreen. Use broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen daily. Avoid harsh skin care. This is the fourth. Overexfoliating, layering multiple acids, and even trying trending products can damage the skin, prolong inflammation, and increase the risk ng pangingitim or pagpepeklat. Acne management should be structured, not experimental. 5. Seek professional or medical care, especially for severe acne. Ito yung mga nodulous cystic, deep, painful lesions, acne lasting for 6 months or more. This should be medically managed, not just treated over the counter. Hindi lahat ng marks ay permanent, but acne scars are more expensive to treat. So, the best investment is early and proper acne treatment today. Consult your dermatologic doctor and your future skin will thank you.